Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the contact section in the vehicle booking management system. Having accurate contact details makes it easy for customers to reach you whenever they have questions or need support. Let's get started. Under your social link, Settings, click on the Contact section to open this area. Click on the title field and enter a heading for this section, something simple like Get in Touch. Click on the Google Map field to embed your business location on a map. This gives customers a clear, visual sense of where you're located. Click on the Icon field to add an icon to your contact details. To add an icon, select your preferred icon from the icon list. Click the Name field to input the contact name in the Name field. Click on the Contact field to input your contact details. For example, you might enter something like support@yuma.com. Make sure this is an active email your team actually monitors, since this is where customer questions will land. If you'd like to add more contact details, click Add to include another entry. Once everything is filled in, click Save Changes to apply your updates to the contact section. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.